Okay, this is via the W3HFU Kiwi SDR, one of them. We're looking at 26.695 and 26.745, which are both POCSAG frequencies, and yeah, I know I've got it in upper sideband. There's a lot of paging going on here. But these are both UK frequencies, UK paging frequencies, hospital frequencies, hospital paging frequencies, I should say. So, good band opening indicators. As you can tell, 11 meters is pretty darn open. We'll zoom in a little bit. And just look at all that. The legal band is right here to right there. So everything else outside of that is outside of the legal CD band, and you can see how active it is. So we hear data signals on these two frequencies among many others. Good chance you've got a band opening to UK.